Good evening guys, bonsoir mes amours et welcome sur channel moyen Guigui St. Louis. Si vous pouvez follow, pas oublier subscribe, pesez bouton là et puis suivez-moi, m'attend nous share. Okay? Tonight I have a special video for you guys. Special video ça m'ral montrer nous côté que je commence à faire effort dans mettre les cheveux, dans faire maquillage, si nous rappelez nos dernières vidéos, nous pas vraiment pas trop connaître comment faire rien pour faire mes cheveux whatever. So, je finis de ces cheveux là, je vais mettre Lacefront. Pourquoi? Je vais mettre Lacefront pour que moi somme souhaiter nous tout va passer bien. Again guys, si vous pouvez subscribe sur channel moyen, please subscribe kuna et puis pas oublier bon thumbs up dans vidéo mieux et puis share, partager by tous les amis nous. I love you guys. I love you. All right, we're gonna get to the video. The hair I'm using today, all right, it's a special hair. I'm gonna show you the package. She carefully packaged her hair. It's from Alibeauty Hair. It's my first time and I think I'm gonna love it already because she has the best package. You guys, you see the hair and what else she packed with the hair. Like, we mette un pile lot bel ti bagay dans package dans pour cheveux. Like, I'm gonna show you what she put in here. It's very carefully put together. She is good. Again, her name is Alibeauty Hair. Check her on Instagram. She included a cap, actually 2 caps in the package. You guys know what that means. I'm gonna look good. Alright, so she has 2 caps in there and eyelashes, which I love. First time doing Lacefront by myself, so I'm gonna show you my steps. I have my caps on. I've seen people put it all the way here, right? And then I've seen them like freeze it. I'm gonna show you what I used to freeze it. I want to make sure you guys see the hair first to see what my design gonna look like. This is the hair, guys. It's beautiful. She did a great job. Hopefully it comes out right. Actually, I know it's gonna come out right. Si ou pa genye sa, mwen utilize Got2B Glue. You know, Got2B. So, mwen utilize parce que non seulement il est facile pour moun ka fait ka prendre tan koum, et puis il frise cheveux. Il n'est pas vraiment on glue cheveux et puis il fait le fort mal. Quand il y a un pile de glue m'utiliser, il va me faire mal. Mais ça, so far, je n'ai pas jamais de problème avec. Alright? Je vais slick, like, comme je vais l'utiliser tout pour faire bien chita. Alright, so here we go, guys. I'm gonna try. Let's spray away. You want to make sure your ears, like, couvrir les oreilles moins. Because while we're in absorti, so vegetable soup, okay? Again, this is Got2B freeze, alright? Freeze spray. Alright, try not to put too much. You just do a line. Glue. I don't really put it on my hair. I like to make sure I put it on the cap, and the cap is so far away for a reason. For me, like if it gets to my hair, I feel better. I feel better now. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with me. I like when it actually kind of get partially. Alright, l'on senti devant bien séché. Ou gen la fon ti mayen avec ça. Ou ali coller. Il va se coller net non parce que vous besoin pour le cas grapper dans cheveux, but vous pas vle pour le mouiller trop tout. Okay. Alright, hold on. On va quitter les cheveux à prendre un glue parce que là déforme les cheveux. Hein? Ou lever. Avec ça, vous levez net. Côté bleu chita. Ou faire chita enfin pour faire coller avec. Alright. Et vous pouvez les cheveux arriver trop devant, non? Alright. Vous pouvez les cheveux arriver trop devant. Ou bosser pour make sure. Ok. On finit la gelée. Et puis, vous connaissez à cause des oreilles, non? Ou bien style des oreilles, non? Ou la fonte couper parce que si les trop court là, je fais tout le monde bosser les oreilles. On bosser tant que espace là, c'est trop privé sous oreilles, ou faut un petit clip là. Ok? Pour make sure vous bien garder côté les dans les oreilles pour couper. Je vais me donner un bas et à tweezer avant vite. Bah vite ça va les ciseaux même parce que on toujours couper. Toujours couper cheveux ou bien presque pas oreilles moi avec. For some reason tweezer est un peu difficile. Même moi puis habitué à tweezer. Et puis l'on fin couper là, ou garder quand on va détirer ou balancer marque là, pour bien chita. Alright. See? Vous aurez la bien chita, soit fait chaud, ou fait comme ça, vous aurez la bien chita. Et puis après ça, quand je vois un espace où vous faites pas foutre, hein? You know, you wanna make sure you have space. Alright. This one needs to be glued a little bit more because it never touched the spot. But I'll fix that shortly. Alright. I tell you, man. My sisters be laughing at me when I tell them I'm trying to do my own hair. Sometimes you have to improvise. Alright. And then I go again on this side. Do the same thing if needed. But this side is good. Alright, this side was good already. So you're just cutting it right now. I tell you, this girl did a great job. She did a great job with the hair. And I'm doing a great job at messing it up. I'm sorry. Forgive me. It's my first try. Alright, so. And I have to fix the front a little bit more. I think I should pull it a little bit more. And I'm gonna blend it with makeup like I see people do. And then from here, you need to tie it up. Gigi, tie it up, Gigi, tie it up. So far, so good. I'm gonna tie it up to make sure that it doesn't look too messy. And then after that, I'm gonna divide it to get the hair that I want. Okay, I'm gonna take some hair out. You see how it's like so light right there? Don't worry. I should have done that before, but anyway. I should have like colored it before, but like I said, I'm not a pro, so I fix things as I go. And again, who says you can't make mistakes? It's not. Even the pros make mistakes and then they fix them. That's why they call, like, that's what it's called, like, you know, you learn as you go. So, din pa wè trop poudre fos la. Nam gade pou wè. An gade pou wè touche. La. Make sure cheveux bien chita. Ok. Make sure cheveux bien chita. Et puis, je vais aller ça. I'm gonna cut it after. I was gonna cut it, but I realized I can cut it after, so I don't make too much of a mess. like I said, I'm not a pro at this. Okay. Now this time. Okay. Alright. So far, I don't know how I'm doing. You guys will let me know in the comment. Let me know in the comment. Fè m konen nan mesaj yo pou nou dim koman nou wè ma fè. Pou moun kap esye, se pa metim, selman cheve mwen vle fè. Please practice ap fò konen. Huh? So doa, vai ficar tão puxinho. Yeah. Mousse. On va mettre des mousses pour faire le style là. On va mettre un petit mousse là-dedans pour accrocher jambe là. Et on utilise le gros boss encore parce que ça va être fin. Okay. Wait. Alright guys, this is my hair. Mr. Vera, I'm going to bed, so I'm not gonna do too much. I'm just gonna leave it like natural, because tomorrow I'm just gonna do a bun to go to work with it. And on my next video, I'm gonna show you how I did the front. Alright, so now you need to make sure you did subscribe and wait for my next video. Ciao now. I love you guys. Bye.